am the Cadet Joshua Tumaki.
And I am the Cadet Ricky Chrysler A. Tamorete.
I am the Cadet Junrey Logrunyo.
I'm the Cadet Raljan G.V. Laruya. I am the Cadet Michael James Dumog.
And this is our presentation in
Humanities 101.
What is the importance of Muslim arts in the Philippines? The art of the Islamic world reflects its cultural values and reveals the way Muslims view the spiritual realm and the universe. For the Muslim, reality begins with a center on Allah. In the 19th century, traders and missionaries have introduced the religion of Islam in the Philippines. Islamic art meshed with ethnic culture and produce a Filipino Muslim art that reflects the ethnic background and Islamic identity of the people.
What is the importance of traditional art in the Philippines? Folk life and traditional arts are an important part of living cultural heritage. Traditional bearers pass this knowledge on from one generation to the next, one person to another. With each change of hands, what is important from the past is kept and cherished, and the little bits of wisdom and beauty are added. Art helps you process your emotions and understands your surrounding. It allows you to see life from a different perspective, and it makes you feel alive. Art has been an important part of human society since it is the beginning of time. Art has been used as a tool for cultural exchange, education, and expression.
What is the importance of art and music? Art and music influence each other on their own. Art and music share a common element of evoking an emotion response. But together, they highlight the listening and viewing experience. A painting that is complemented by music can unlock new emotion and interpretation from the viewers' emotion and feelings. It becomes a means of communication between them. It is a miracle that music composed by a composer evokes different emotions in the hearts of other people. Music education is an integral part of an aesthetic education.
So, the elements of art or components of art or of art that can be explained and defined, they are building blocks to create a working of art. So, students who can identify the elements and evaluate their role in the composition of work of art will be better able to understand an artist's choices.
What is the importance of arts in the study of humanities? The humanities and the arts are central for all human culture. Throughout time, their study can facilitate deeper and cultural understanding and lay the groundwork of civilly engaged life. They can also prepare you to think critically, act creatively, and succeed in a rapidly changing world.
So that would be all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I'm the Cadet Raljan G.V.
Okay na ne? Okay na ne? Good na ne? Sini ko ne? Jundal ko. Tarong ko. Okay na do? Okay na?
End of. Sige ba?
And this is our presentation in
Humanities 101.
Tayo na lang lagi.
And this is our presentation in
Humanities 101.
Ay, ikaw 101 ratana. Agi.
And this is our presentation.